This is HMS Belfast. This was last time used in World War II, and you can visit this ship by booking a trip, and that will take you to all the chambers and a thorough review of this great battleship which was once used last in the World War. This rounded building in the background, this is Mayor's Office of London. This iconic London's landmark is the Tower Bridge, and I have got a separate vlog on it which details about the history of Tower Bridge. You can go on top of the bridge and can walk on the glass roof and see the amazing view of River Thames and London from there. There's a building in the background which is called Sky Garden. You can access the top floor of Sky Garden, which is open to public, in its beautiful indoor botanic garden. And also there are two restaurants which offer halal food as well. If you order in advance, 2 days advance, they can manage halal food, and it's a beautiful site to visit where it gives 360 views of whole of London, and it's free to visit. Behind the cruises you can see Tower of London where the crown jewels are kept, and this is also can be a day trip for many tourists. Tower Bridge opens up few times a day, and one of the iconic sight was when this cruise ship passed through Tower Bridge. This was few months ago. If you are first time in London, a river cruise is must on River Thames. This gives you an insight to whole of the iconic buildings of London. This iconic building is called Shard. This is the tallest building of London. It has got 2 restaurants on the top. You can take a tour. Bit costly, but gives amazing view of the London skyline. This is London Bridge, and just behind London Bridge on the left side, there is 5 minute walk to the most famous Borough Market.
I am London. I am London. I am London.
Post river cruise barbecue at home, an excellent evening spent with family.